Hi everyone, I'm Vinisha and this reading is for Sagittarians, March 2016. Let's see what is the general energy flow for your month of March 2016, all you Sagis. What I can see here is that the cards which show me that energy says think before the movement. That means moving forward in any kind of relationship or any kind of new venture in your career, think before. I mean, every Sagittarian, maybe it falls in a different sector for every Sagittarian, but what it says is a progress, a next movement, a next step, whichever you're taking in career, relation, or any kind of next up one stage ahead. Please think, or maybe you guys are actually thinking, or you are like feeling burdened that, oh, we have to think every time, why is it happening with us? But the energy is like that, you're feeling little sitting back and thinking, am I taking right steps, or what should I do to make this step whichever I'm thinking to take a better step, a step which is supported by all. Because I see that it is more of even in career front, people who are looking to change a job or getting a promotion, they are also thinking. And in the love front, to get a soulmate in their life on a committed level or maybe a marriage level, they are like wanting to take steps, but they are a little slow with it, or they are like not being supported. So this kind of energy is shown that every time you are feeling little bit stuck and inquisitive about your own situation, that am I going in a right direction, or why what all I should do to take this relationship or this career or this job to next level. So this is a kind of a good energy, because anything which is like coming in your life, you really need to think about it. If you will step in anything without thinking, I feel that you can get stuck, because you need to be pre-planned of whatever you want to get in your life for. So this is the normal energy flow. Now let's get on to committed Sagittarians, people who are committed in relationships. What is happening with them? A very typical combination of cards is there with them, that is in a recent past. That means maybe January, February, or maybe 6 months or year or so. A recent past seems to be very happy with your partner. The partner seems to be very satisfying to you people. You were satisfied, you were happy to make this move ahead, and you were wanting to take this relationship ahead, and you have taken steps as well. Most of the Sagittarians are about to reach on that level when they show their partner that we are welcoming you in our life, maybe propose them and get married with them. Because I see three of wants, that all what you thought about your partnership is approaching. All the ships are approaching towards you, and you're feeling quite satisfied that uh, okay, I'm done with things now. Let everything come in my life. I have done what all I was supposed to do. But later, the twist comes here, that people who are feeling satisfied, I'm talking about the March, till mid of March, you will feel the same, that you can feel satisfied. But after mid of March, something happens, and that's a conflict or a um, situation of illness, situation of mental tiredness. You're seeking advices, you're seeking kind of a blessing, because you fall for a person and you're continuing that relationship. But in the end of the March, it seems like you want to slow down. You want to slow down and you want to think about it. Something is happening, Sagittarians, every time with you people. That is really crazy. And I have found out a reason also, because even I wanted to know that why everything going in a flow, and then all of a sudden you people are not backing out. You people are not like taking decisions and then just getting furious about things and just backing out. Your nature is not like that. Then what is going to happen which is going to bother you? You know what the answer I'm getting here and the vibe I'm getting here is, some games are happening with you guys, or maybe it was happening since a long time and you had a clue about it, but you were not believing in that. And you were totally drawn away in that mood. You were totally in your own way, that you were feeling, no, I'm right, whatever I'm saying is completely correct. But all of a sudden, from every part of your life, you start getting those feelings. And now why is this happening? Because of the Mercury thing, Mercury retrogression thing, and some kind of eclipses happening. You can get a information regarding your committed partner. you can get an information or a confession kind of a thing regarding your partner, which can just, shock you, which can just kill your loyalty thing in your partnership. Because I see that a lot of love flare is there, a lot of passion is there in your relationship, but something is going to come as an information, because whenever Mercury is retrograde, you get some kind of wrong message or wrong call, people calling you and telling you certain things which even who even don't know you, but they want to tell you something about your partner. Because remember, Sagittarians, a lot of you are getting married, a lot of you are getting into a committed relationship, taking it to another level of marriage, or maybe, a long way to go with that partner deciding factor. But something is going to reveal, and that is going to be a stupid thought for you initially when you started the relationship, but then you forgot about it. Maybe people would have warned you, people would have told you that, this is something with this partner or this person, beware or something, but you thought, no, 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 this is their judgment, let me move forward with my own judgment, and you actually moved. But now when you are at the verge of converting this relationship into the status relationship, marriage status or something like that, or maybe not even marriage, you're thinking to take that partner seriously, and even discarding other potential partners because of this person. But then some Mercury magic is going to come. So I would say one thing, that if you really feel so, and even in the retrogression you're not getting answers because you're Sagittarian, you are not a person who's totally instinctive all the time. So you believe in actions and karmas rather than being instinctive like Scorpions and Pisces. So I would suggest, please worship Lord Ganpati, and ask them that whatever is the thing which is hidden from me, if in case, please show me. And if you want to worship any angel, please worship angel of romance. Angel of romance will definitely help you in either coming out of that situation and telling you, no, everything is fine with your partner, it was all in your mind, and maybe some people are playing those kind of pranks to pull you guys apart, to just kind of leaving you in a very question state, and you are like questioning the person, and end of it, you guys are like ending into a fight. But 90%, yes, there is something coming up which you really need to concentrate. And one thing more, Sagittarians, that this time you have got Jupiter and Venus both fighting, in a way that Jupiter is a support system for marriage, for commitments, and Venus is a support system for a passionate and a true love. And when they both coming together, they will not allow you to get a partner which is not loyal to you, which is not doing good to you, or maybe in future you will be regretting this relationship. So if these two planets I can see are totally functioning for your love life, so if you really want to know what is wrong with the relation, please ask archangels, who are angels for romance, and for people who know the Lord Ganpati, please pray and please ask to reveal that truth, or maybe whatever is coming inside your or inside your instincts or mind, that you, something I'm feeling, something I'm getting, but I'm exactly not getting what is that. Because you people are like, when you are shown the truth, then you get to know. You don't understand the instincts of anything coming up in your life, and that is why I saw most of the Sagittarians either just falling, or just cannot come out of a situation so easily, and they get depressed. Because Jupiter blessing is always with you guys, you are protected by Jupiter, your sign is Jupiter. So please believe in the guidelines, because Jupiter cannot come down on earth and tell you what is there wrong in your partnership. It is the guidelines the planet can send for you. People who are like us, who are healers, can tell you, or you can yourself meditate and get to know that something is there. What is there? Your instincts will tell you, but get connected with yourself. Don't follow a blind path that I've got this partner, now I need to marry, I'm feeling good. Inside you're feeling somewhere panicking, then please understand why is it happening, because other signs than you, most of them do understand, and that is the reason your falling scale is very high in comparison to other signs. So please take care of that. Apart from that, people who are single, again a complicated situation for single Sagittarians, because I see a lot of want from your side, lot of want of a good partner, good good partner for you people, but I see no efforts. There is no effort which is you guys are putting. You guys are waiting that okay, let some parties coming up, we will dress up well and you will find somewhere there. I feel no, because you need to put efforts to get what in your life. You have to plan certain things. So please, if you're looking for a partner, you have to really show your urge to other people also, that if they have somebody, potential people who wants to marry, I'm talking about, who wants to marry and still single, you have to put your word forward. But people who are just looking for certain affairs or something, I would say it's not your time. But end of the March or maybe starting of the April, you might enter in some party and you find some good good connection and you get a crush on them. So that can happen, but not a serious partnership I cannot see as of now, who are single. But for marriage, who wants to get married, please put your word. Tell people that I'm looking for a potential partner. If you have somebody in your knowledge, let us know. That is a thing required from you people. Now, a strange thing again, Sagittarians, for you, which I took out in your career front. You know what? I feel 90% of you are worried about your emotions, about your emotional life, or maybe totally concentrated on your emotional life. Your vision for your life as of now is marriage, is a soulmate, is love, is a party, is heart, is completely heart. No mind as such. You're just going with the job and you're okay with it also, because what is dominating you is your love sector. So nothing I can see much for your career life. Yes, but I can see what is the support system in your career life is again Jupiter. So wherever astrologically Jupiter is there, it expands the result of that particular zodiac or particular house in your horoscope, if you know about the astrology. So Jupiter is saying that I am with you guys. Just connect with your instincts for your confusions and for your hurdles in your life regarding relationships, but regarding career, do good. I will say do good. Reason, I can see a lot of people getting opportunities to do something which is not legal and earning a lot of money. That if you are doing it, just do it. If you really require money, but not don't do it. As in, Jupiter doesn't allow anything which is illegal. It doesn't support anything which is against humanity. So please don't do these kind of things to earn a lot of money, because money is coming, money is on the way. But remember, if Jupiter is not supporting certain things, and if you're doing that, you may get into big time trouble. You may get into big time health issue, because Jupiter can give a major health issue to you people. So remember the path of goodness and follow that. Now let's come on to your luck sector, because whatever I have taken out, I can see one thing: luck is in your favor. But how? It's a typical thing to explain, but I'll try and tell you certain things in your life going on. If you're confused regarding a job change, don't change it right now, because your energies are totally in your emotional world. If your emotional world is not satisfied, you need to work on it. I'm telling you the guidelines and the rules and the principles. And this is not only for March. I would say it is flowing from a long time. And now it's the time to work on it. Otherwise, what I can see as a guiding factor to people, it will not change. And it will keep on coming into your life as confusions, not satisfactions in your love life. Why to waste time? Work on it. If you're feeling for someone, if you're not telling, please go and say that as single Scorpions. If you have some connections with somebody you want to marry, move forward. But if you're feeling that no, that partner is not right, you're moving forward with, please kindly stop. Just pray, meditate, cleanse yourself. Why? Because you're blocking the right energy to enter your body. And remember, you cannot blame future afterwards, or blame destiny afterwards, when you actually get this relationship somewhere in a turmoil, you were stuck and nothing is happening good. Then you say that my destiny is like that. No, it's not that. When the destiny is knocking the door and telling you, please watch for it. If you're not feeling good about it, please stop and think what is wrong. Talk to your partner, tell them, or maybe you have to sometimes stop them. I'm sorry to say, but the kind of cards I'm getting is you need to stalk them as well. You can stalk them, you can check what is going on in their life, which can be hidden, and that is the instinct you're getting inside your heart, because somewhere your heart chakra is connected to them, people who are dating, I'm talking about. So you can stalk them, and please check about their personal life which is not shared with you, because I can see a lot of partners who keep a lot of secrets here, and you cannot ask, or you're not asking because you're not even aware of this kind of nature of this person in your life. Lot of head, lot of techniques, I can say, all those mind games. I can see no emotional cards in your love life, committed people. No emotional cards I can see, which is a very strange thing. For singles I can still see something, but for you people it is completely a passion, completely sex driven, completely physical relations, and more often it is a controlling system. So if your partner is controlling you indirectly or directly, please beware. If you're feeling like you have no control on you, and you do whatever your partner says and you're forced to do, or maybe you feel right that your partner is saying everything right, it's not always that way, because in near future it won't end in a way that you are thinking. You may regret this relationship later. So why not right now to think about it, because any which ways you are blocking your heart chakra later, which you will have to suffer in emotions. Then please take care of that. And let me take out one angel card for you people. Let's see what angels have to say for you guys, Sagittarians, for the month of March. A lot of expectations card are there in another readings, but you people are putting efforts a lot. I see committed people, and as well as in career, you people are putting a lot of efforts, but then put to right people and in right direction. That is the most important thing, Sagittarians. All the time going with the flow doesn't go with you people. You really need to break the flow and come out of it and make your own destiny also. Just don't compromise all the times. Let's see what is the card for you people. Okay, the card for you is powerful, loving and wise spiritual teachers are watching over and guiding you. Let's see. I mean, just see. I have told you, if you see ascendant masters, if you see this card, I'll just show it to you. There are so many gurus, so many masters watching you. And that is the instinct I was getting, that this Jupiter planet, because Jupiter gives guru, and Jupiter gives all those salvation things in your life, and you get good gurus, good guidelines, good teachers or consultants in this particular love matter, or maybe sometimes in career matter. So a lot of Jupiter stuff I can see. So please seek guidelines from people. Please ask people you feel connected and you think they can answer or they can solve your query, because yes, a lot of masters are watching you. That is absolutely there. So they won't allow you to go wrong, but they cannot come down and tell you. They can just send you signals. They are your protectors. They will send you signals. So if you're feeling that way, definitely you're feeling that way. I can see all the cards being asking for a strength, and you're putting that strength, but you're walking alone. Don't walk alone. Destiny is in your favor. Just understand if you're feeling something that ways. Please contact people. That's a message from my side, who can tell you the truth, who you think can guide you very well. So this is the reading for Sagittarians from my side for the month of March 2016. If you like my reading, please subscribe and share it, and leave messages for me. That is very motivating. And if you have another queries, you want to know anything regarding Ganpati, you want to know anything regarding the romance angel or something, please ask. And leave messages on my Facebook account as well, and you can comment here also. If you want a personal consultation, I have my details on my Facebook account. And I'll see you in April 2016 for your next reading. Till then, please pray hard. You need prayers, you need blessings. They all are with you. Bye bye.